Hey guys, Kajabi memberships are evolving fast, and the creators winning right now are the ones who build structured, high-value recurring programs, not random content drops. The setup starts with defining your membership promise. What ongoing transformation do members get monthly? Clarity here anchors your entire build. Then inside Kajabi, create your membership product. Add categories for core pillars, training, community, resources, and set up a searchable content library. Use automations to onboard new members with a welcome sequence, orientation video, and monthly roadmap. Next, build a tiered pricing model, starter, pro, elite, so members upgrade naturally as their needs grow. Combine this with community features, live calls, accountability check-ins, and monthly challenges to keep retention high. For growth, plug your membership into a simple evergreen funnel. Lead magnet, nurture emails, hit join now, right? Webinar or challenge, and then automated follow-up. This is the structure that gives you stable MRR and predictable growth. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.